How to make thousands of dollars a week with no credit, bad credit, no business license certification, nothing, using chickens and plants. First off and foremost, these are microgreens, okay? If you don't know what microgreens are, check out my other videos. I just came back from a farmer's market and I just made $550, okay? You're gonna see by the time this video is done how many trays that equals. So for those of you counting, keep up. Now here's the deal. You can start this business, you can go to your local farmer's market, you can literally get started right now. You could go this week if you wanted to and literally start making money. You don't need a business plan, you don't need an LLC, you don't need certifications, you don't need a license. You literally just need to know how to put seeds in the soil. And the only other thing that seeds need besides this soil right here is water. And of course, light, because that is how plants grow. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the easiest explanation I can possibly give to you of how to quit your job, okay? This day and age, we all know that it's designed so that people work to death and live to work. And it's never good enough, and it's by design. So if you do not feel fulfilled, if you do not feel like you are growing to your full potential, if you have bad mental health because of something that's going on, but you have to be there because bills, this is exactly for you. And it's resonating because it really is as simple as making these plants grow. And guess what? There's a huge market. Don't let anybody tell you that there's not. All across the country, all across the world, people eat every day. People are concerned with their immune systems right now, especially trying to have a trendy, healthy, fit lifestyle. It's all in favor of microgreens. They have 40 times more nutrient density than their fully grown vegetable counterparts, okay? I just threw a tray of peas, broccoli, purple kohlrabi, kale, I got radish, and all of those vegetables are great on their own that are fully mature. But guess what? These microgreens grow in 5 to 7 days. And these trays that you're seeing, they have already been harvested at the farmer's market and already made money on. Now it's feeding my livestock. And guess what? I market these chicken eggs as microgreen eggs because that's all they eat. 5 days a week, microgreens. All that nutrition density you can see on the feathers. I mean, it's just something that you can't make up. Look at that. I mean, you get blinded by them. Contrary to popular belief, I have a bunch of people asking me how to get started and, you know, what should they do and where should I go? There's a link in my bio that has all that information. Get the Grow Kit. Start now. God bless you.